All right, here's a question where you asked to solve this inequality, solving for a range of numbers. So I need to isolate for x. Now, since negative 7 is multiplying the x, I can divide both sides by negative 7. So I'll divide this side by negative 7, divide this side by negative 7. When you divide by a negative and you have an inequality, you have to change the direction of that inequality. So on the right side, I'll have an x. Then instead of less than, it's going to be a greater than or equal to. And now I have to deal with this complex fraction on the left side. I'm going to rewrite it like this. Minus 5/7 divided by negative 7. Okay, now when you divide fractions, you invert and multiply, right? So negative 7 over 1, I'll change this to negative 5 over 7, change the divide to multiply, and invert that guy, 1 over 7. Oh, negative 7. Greater than or equal to x. Okay, so now I can multiply at the top, so it'd be minus 5 over the bottom, minus 49, greater than or equal to x. And then the two minuses will cancel. So I'll be left with 5 over 49 greater than or equal to x. Now typically we don't write answers with the x on the right side. Typically we put them on the left side. So we can do that. And you could do it mathematically, like subtract x on both sides and that kind of stuff. But it's easier just if you do a wholesale swap, everything changes. So the x let me write it over again. 5 over 49 greater than or equal to x. So I'm going to put x on this side, and then I just have to make sure the sign, this inequality, is the same. So if the thing is pointing toward the x, I still have to have it pointing toward the x. 5 over 49. Or in other words, if you swap this to this side and this to this side, you've got to swap that too. So that would be the answer to that question.